Welcome to this video tutorial where we will guide you through the process of creating a website from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this tutorial will help you build your own website. Let's get started. Step 1. Planning your website. 1. Determine the purpose of your website. Is it for personal use, a blog, an e-commerce store, or portfolio? 2. Define your target audience. Understand who will be visiting your website and tailor your content accordingly. 3. Sketch a basic layout. Plan the structure and organization of your website pages. Step 2. Domain and hosting. 1. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and relevant name for your website. 2. Register your domain. Visit a domain registrar website and follow the registration process. 3. Choose a hosting provider. Research hosting providers that offer the features you need within your budget. 4. Set up hosting. Purchase a hosting plan and configure your domain with the hosting provider. Step 3. Website platform. 1. Select a website platform. Choose a content management system, CMS, that suits your needs. 1. WordPress is a popular choice for its versatility and user-friendly interface. 2. Install WordPress. If you chose WordPress, follow the installation instructions provided by your hosting provider. Step 4. Customizing your website. 1. Choose a theme. Select a theme that aligns with your website's purpose and style preferences. 2. Customize the theme. Use the theme options and settings to modify the layout, colors, and typography. 3. Install plugins. Add functionality to your website by installing and configuring useful plugins. Step 5. Creating pages and navigation. 1. Add pages. Create the essential pages for your website, such as home, about, contact, and any others relevant to your content. 2. Create a navigation menu. Arrange the pages in a logical order and create a navigation menu to help users navigate your website. Step 6. Content creation. 1. Write compelling content. Craft engaging and informative content for your pages. 2. Add media elements. Insert images, videos, and other media to enhance your website's visual appeal. 3. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to improve your website's search engine visibility. Step 7. Enhancing functionality. 1. Install additional plugins. Explore and install plugins that provide extra features, such as contact forms, social media integration, or search engine optimization. 2. Set up analytics. Register your website with analytics platforms like Google Analytics to track visitor data and gain insights into your website's performance. Step 8. Testing and launching. 1. Preview and test your website. Thoroughly review your website's design, functionality, and responsiveness across different devices and browsers. 2. Fix any issues. If you encounter any problems, troubleshoot and address them accordingly. 3. Launch your website. Once you're satisfied with the testing, make your website live by removing any maintenance mode or password protection. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own website from scratch. Remember to regularly update your content and monitor your website's performance to provide the best user experience possible. Good luck with your website, and thank you for watching this tutorial.